got that the relation g at y equal to 0. So that means it's a function of both x and y. So you just can't separate x and y out of each other, and you said that is the solution. So in that case, it's said to be an implicit solution to that differential equation on the interval I if it defines one or more than one explicit solution on I. For example, this equation, it said that show that y squared minus x to the power 3 plus 8 equal to 0 is an implicit solution of this differential equation. If you take a look at this, you just can write down y as a function of x with one answer. For example, you said that this is the solution, right? Y squared is equal to x to the power 3 minus 8. So y, you take square root of this term. When you take the square root, you would get two answers, right? Plus and minus. So that means you have two different solutions. So this is implicit. It's not exact, like, because you can't have only one answer. It's got to be two answers now. So the way that to prove it, you just plus y is equal to square root x to the power 3 minus 8 into dy by dx is equal to 3x squared minus divided by 2y, and plus y equal to minus 2 . If both of them are make it satisfied with this equation, so that means y squared equal to x to the power 3 minus 8 is the answer of this differential equation, but it is implicit because you've got two answers. Okay. So to show whether it is the solution, you've got to plug this one in there. Right? You've got to plug this one in there. Okay. The first one, the first answer. Okay, if you want to plug it in there, you've got to do differential of y by dx. What do you get? You get like this, right? If you do the differential of this term, right? You do dy by dx, you get this. And then you just plug into the equation. You would get right? So our dy by dx is equal to 1 over 2 times 3x squared divided by x square root x to the power 3 minus 8. But we know that square root x to the power 3 minus 8 is equal to our y, right? Right? This one is equal to 1. Is it satisfying? Yes. So that means the first y, this y, which is equal to square root of x to the power 3 minus 8, is the solution of this differential equation. And then to test the other one, which is y equal to negative into the equation, our differential equation. This one, you do differential of y by x. This one, what you get? Right? Right? And then you're going to plug into here. Right? Our differential is equal to minus 1 over 2 times 3x squared divided by x to the power 3 minus 8 to square root x squared, x to the power 3 minus 8. But now our y is equal to minus square root x to the power 3 minus 8. So that means this term is equal to this one. Simplify again. So that means both y either square root x to the power 3 minus 8 or minus square root x to the power 3 minus 8 are the solution of this differential equation. But then you have two solutions, you don't have one solution. So that's why this is called implicit solution. Let me give you another example. Now, if you look at this solution, it said that x plus y plus exponential of x times y equal to 0. You have only one solution here. But it is implicit because you can write y in the term of x only. This one, y is always go with a function of x and y. This is very implicit, right? And it has only one solution, right? You can make it into two solutions just like previous example. Previous example, because it's square root y, so you've got two solutions. But with this one, you have only one solution, but you can write down your solution in the term of x only. This solution is always be x and y in the function as a function of x and y. This one is called implicit solution. And the problem statement is saying that you got to show that this one is the answer of this equation. So the way that you're going to prove it is that put the meanings of this into here. If you can make it right, I mean if it is satisfied with this equation, so that means it is the solution of this differential equation. So the way that we are going to do is just that we got to do differential of this one to get dy by dx. Okay? We know that we are going to do differential of this equation by x. So we get dx plus y plus exponential of xy by dx equal to 0. We are going to use this definition. Differential has a distribution property, so you just distribute it in there. You would get dx by dx plus dy by dx plus d by dx of exponential of xy equal to 0. Dx by dx is equal to 1. Dy by dx got to be 10 right there. How about derivative of exponential xy by dx? What you get? Right? You got exponential of y, dxy by dx. dxy by dx, you get what? X dy by dx plus y dx by dx, right? Or you get x dy by dx plus y, right? Because dx by dx equal to 1. And then, now we have dy by dx here and dy by dx there. We are going to put these two terms together. So we would get 1 plus 1 plus exponential xy times x dy by dx plus y times exponential of xy equal to 0. Or we write it again, like because this one got no dy by dx term, we are going to put it with this term. So we would get which is after you make a differential of the answer, the implicit solution, you get your differential equation, right? So that means x plus y plus exponential xy equal to 0 is an implicit solution of the differential equation.